Hi, Kay here from Teach Your Monster with a quick tutorial on how to move players between groups. First, I recommend adding a player called Teacher. That will give you a profile so you can demonstrate our games to your class. Now, I've set up this Blue Monsters group and I can move existing players by clicking on Group Actions and then Move Existing Players. That will take me through to a page where we can see all the existing players. So if I look at my spreadsheet here, I can see Log, Cloud, Rusty, Marty and Moo in that group. So I'll select them one by one from this list. Once selected, click Move Players and we'll see that those players have been moved to Blue Monsters. To add players to a new group, click on Add Group at the bottom, write in the name, click Next, and then Move Existing Players. Then select the remaining players in Monster Class by clicking on the top here and click Move Players. Complete the group setup, and now those are all in green monsters. And that's how to move players between groups.